Hey guys, and welcome back to another video out here on our little tour. And today we stopped in the town of Kingston. We're launching out of one of the marinas here in Kingston. That right there is the Kingston Penitentiary. You can go do tours of it right there. And we've got the Coast Guard right here as well, so pretty good safe way to start. So we're just gonna start making our way out and head up to the Thousand Islands and try and explore them today. A bit of a overcast, kind of gray day today. So not the best for light, but hey, we're on the water, that's all that matters. So guys, let's go ahead and enjoy this trip, see what we can get up to, see what we find, and we'll go from there. So as we head out onto the St. Lawrence River here, let's enjoy the day. I got my buddy Woody with me today, and well, there's Gary, he says hello. So all right guys, we're gonna go down river and get this thing started. All right, let's get going. Alright guys, so this right here, there's a bridge here that you can go under. This is the beginning of the Rideau Canal. So you can go from here in Kingston all the way up this river system, all the way to Ottawa, which we were in a previous video there. So, but yeah, this is where it all starts. We're not going to go up that in this one. I'm saving that for next summer. We're going to try to do the whole canal, hopefully, fingers crossed. But yeah, so just to show you where we are, kind of, that's the Rideau Canal. That's where it starts here in Kingston. That's going out to Lake Ontario. Yeah, that's what we're kind of looking at there. So that's the beginning. So let's keep this trip going. That's one of the ferries that crosses between here and Kingston, and that's America over there. Hello, America. Good to see you guys. Got a lot of wind farms over there. Wow. So anyways, that ferry goes across to the US there. So, but this right here is the Royal Military College of Canada here in Kingston. It used to be probably an old fort, but yeah, you can kind of see the fort, I guess it's up there. And then there's some other landmarks there. So yeah, pretty cool to see. All right guys, well yeah, let's keep this adventure going. But yeah, there's the Royal Military College of Canada. I salute you guys. Thank you for all that you do. I appreciate it. Well guys, we made it to the Thousand Islands. Oh, my beard is terrible. So yeah, we've done it. Congratulations. Oh no, which way do I go? There's a lot of weeds everywhere here. Ugh, terrible. Yeah, we're into the Thousand Islands. So let's start exploring around here and see what we can come up with. Pretty cool. Alright, I got me. Where do you go? Gananoque. You can also launch from here. There's a couple ramps in here that you can go from. You're closer off the bat to the 1,000 Islands for sure. But the reason I went out of Kingston is I just want to knock that section off. Just trying to keep knocking out areas of waterways. Yeah, we've done that. Now we're here, so now we're going to start making our way through the 1,000 Islands. Yeah. You can see all the cruise ships for taking people out to the islands. So, all right, we're going to keep heading this way and seeing what we can find. So let's keep going. Yeah, we got some kind of statue right here. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer. It looks like it's a saint. It's a plaque here. What do we got? Oh, wow. That statue is St. Lawrence. Huh. How about that? Well, I don't know how you're supposed to read that high up. What the heck? But anyways, that's the patron saint of St. Lawrence. Just water. Yeah, oh cool. Alright. Let's keep exploring and see what we get up to. But yeah, we've got the St. Lawrence statue right there. Cool. Looks like some old pump house. Cool. So I mean, you see all this weird history and stuff like that. I'm assuming that would have been something. Cool. All right, let's keep going. Check this old lighthouse out. That's cool. That is awesome. I wonder if it's someone's house now. There's candles in the window and stuff. Yo, if someone owns that, good on them. That's wicked. I would love to own a lighthouse. Granted, I'm sure that everyone comes bothers here. Like I just did. Uh-oh, rocks. Such is why there's a lighthouse here. Alright, we're gonna keep going. Alright guys, well, we've made it to the Singer Castle out here on the St. Lawrence River. This is impressive as anything. You know me, I'm not great for facts and stuff. I'm just here for enjoying the view. So let's have an enjoy of the view. Singer Castle on Dark Island. Oh man. Do not anchor here. Okay, no problem. I'm not going to. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yikes. That is not good. I was going to go see what was in that little harbor. Yikes. The castle's falling into the water. So we're on like the east side of the castle right now. Look at this. Oh, there's a boat in there. Probably maintenance. Pigeons. Oh, and they're pooping. Yikes, I don't want to go in that. Cool. One way to come into work. Look at the wood on it. Oh, wow, that's awesome. Alright, let's get out. Dun, dun. Don't hit the side, don't hit the side. Oh, I didn't hit the side. Cool. I didn't polarize it. Oh, where do you go? This castle is fortified with rocks on around it. That's cool, nice little boathouse there. Old history. Look at that. With a quasi-modern, yet still old camera. Let's see what this says. North Dock. Oh, there you go. Cool to see. Gonna lap around, do one quick lap around the island and see what we got. But guys, you know we're putting the drone up here, so stick around for that. I wonder if that's like some secret tunnel out. I don't know. It's interesting. Maybe it was. A little escape tunnel there that they've boarded up now. Well, so it costs you $14.95 to take the tour, and it's a guided tour, and it runs every couple hours. Next one isn't for another hour, so I'm not going to be waiting around for that. So it's worth checking into and seeing what's available. So good to know. But definitely, I think I'd love to check it out. I just don't have time right now. So. Alright guys, let's continue on with the adventure. right, guys, that was cool to see the this castle by the drone. So yeah, beautiful. Like I said, if I had time, I'd love to go inside and see that. So what now we're gonna do is punch back to yet another, well, punch to another castle that's out here that's famous to look at. So let's make our way over there now. All right, let's get going.